Let's have a look at this. This can be used as a very simple table leg. So this is the front view. We see just the rectangle. We hit 3 in the numeric keyboard and we see the same shape, but very simple table leg. So what we are going to do is, if we want to give it some kind of shape, I can start making edge loops, moving them, and then I have to unwrap, and maybe I have to fix the unwrap. So we are going to hit Esc, click from here, go to Edge Selection Mode, and we are going to select just one edge and keep the top and the bottom together. So this will unfold this way. This part will come over here. This part will come over here, and then everything will unwrap flat. It will unfold flat. And remember that maybe this face is not there. It's not even there because this is the top of the leg and it's going to have the table on top, and unless we have a glass or something like that, this part is not going to be seen. So we remove it and go back to the selection, and I need to redo the selection because I have lost it before. So I select this edge, and remember, we don't want to lose the bottoms. So I hit now Ctrl E, mark seam. Now yes, we select everything and unwrap, and we have this as the leg. And just like in other videos, I'm going to make here a black texture. It seems that I have to create one for my starting file, and now we can see our leg. Disable, I select everything, I get it here, move it over here, scale it down just a little bit, make sure it fits, and we go to the material preview, and it's a very nice unwrap. So now we go to the side view and we are going to do things to this leg. First, well, not in the side view. First, I am going to select this face and I am going to move it a bit in the Y direction. Grab Y, and now we have this. The unwrap is the same. Everything keeps being proportional. And now we are going to create some edge loops. For a bit of shape, just 4 is enough. Esc. I hit Esc because if I don't do it, well, let's see what happens if I don't hit Esc. Ctrl Z, Ctrl R, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I click and then they move. So I hit Esc, so they get evenly spaced, considering the top and the bottom. Now we are going to move this a bit on the Y axis, like this. We deselect these two. We move again in the Y axis, and well, now this is a table leg with some kind of shape. which is unwrapped nicely. We select everything and we see that the edge loops have been added here in our UV map, and it all looks nice. We could do this. Now that we have this shape done, we could say, okay, and now we unwrap. And this unfolds this way, but this is a bit not aligned here, 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 and here. So if we apply our texture, well, in this case, it's almost not something that we will notice. But other times, yes. So it's up to you if you want to leave it like this, or if you want this kind of unwrap. It's completely up to you. And with that, well, there's one last thing we can do here. We can scale, but instead make the leg a bit smaller on the lower part, on the bottom part. And well, that's it for a shaped table leg.